Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends! Today we will practice daily English together.
Yes, simple English, easy words, real conversation.
You can listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Let's start our daily English practice.
Jack, how do you start your day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I drink a glass of water.
That's good. Do you exercise?
Yes, I do light exercise for 10 minutes.
Nice. I usually make tea and listen to music.
Music is relaxing. What do you do after that?
I check my phone and plan my day.
That's a good habit. Friends, you can say, I wake up early. I drink water. I plan my day.
Jack, are you working or studying these days?
I am studying English and working part-time.
That's great. Where do you study?
I study at home and sometimes in a cafe.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I practice daily. I talk to myself in English.
That's a very good idea. Friends, you can practice like this. I am working today. I am studying English. I practice every day.
Small practice every day makes big improvement.
Jack, what do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I cook food and relax.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, I like English videos.
That's perfect for learning. What about you, Jack?
I go for a walk and think in English.
Thinking in English is very helpful.
Yes, even simple thoughts help.
Friends, repeat with us. I cook food. I watch English videos. I think in English.
Jack, many people feel scared to speak English.
Yes, but mistakes are okay.
Every mistake is a step forward.
Speak slowly, speak daily, be confident.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice English.
Even 10 minutes a day is enough.
Friends, say this with us. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Practice every day and don't give up.
Listen, repeat, and speak aloud.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing English.